Welcome to this affirmation meditation to begin your day. Start by settling in to a comfortable position and gently closing your eyes. You can repeat these affirmations out loud or in your mind. With every exhale, settling in, allowing these words to fill every cell of your being, knowing that they are now your truth. Begin with a full, deep breath in and a slow breath out, finding a natural rhythm of your breath that we will use for the remainder of this meditation. Beginning with our affirmations now. Inhale deeply. I am full of energy and am feeling fueled to take on anything that comes my way today. I choose to be happy and find happiness in the simple things. I am grateful for another day on this earth. I am worthy of love and affection. Today is going to be a great day. I value myself, so I take personal time every day to practice self-care. I will live in the moment today and let go of stress or worries from my past or about my future. I am a kind human being. My past mistakes do not define who I am now. I am doing the best that I can. I am a strong and confident woman. I am an intelligent individual. I don't waste my energy worrying about things that are outside of my control. I love my body and I am comfortable in my own skin. I am exactly where I am supposed to be at this point in my life. I am proud of who I have become. I am becoming a better version of myself every day. I am patient, knowing that all good things will come exactly when they are meant to, or what is meant for me will come in perfect time. Although I may fail at times, that does not make me a failure. I am perfectly imperfect. I am a shining light full of joy and hope, and I spread this light everywhere I go. I am working towards the goals that are important to me, and I will not give up until I have achieved them. Today is a brand new day, and I am ready for all the possibilities it brings. Taking one last deep breath in and deep breath out. Gently blink your eyes open and enjoy this beautiful new day for all the possibilities it holds. It's going to be a great day.